Oh my God, I got so many updates for you. A lot of good news and some absolutely devastating news too. Where do we even begin? All right, so let's get this out of the way. I'm going to share as much as I can with you now that I'm allowed to share, because I was literally told on the phone that I'm not allowed to share certain things with you until a specific date. Okay, so I'm going to just try to speak in code to you, okay? I'm going to share a code with you and we're going to talk about this in a couple days, all right? TINNSD. Okay? Remember that. All right, now let's get into some other early info. First, let's talk about the stock numbers on one of the upcoming Shai Converse. This is the Shai Echo. This is the camouflage pair. And the stock numbers are looking really low on these. It looks like there's only 600 pairs dropping on Nike US for these, but make no mistake that this is actually something we usually see for Converse, and I believe the reason for this is because they're allocating stock on a different endpoint for Converse products, because they're also dropping on the Converse website as well. So I would not be surprised at all if the overall stock through Converse and Nike sneakers, the overall Nike stock is a lot higher than this actually, because we've seen this on multiple Converse before. So don't let this number encourage you to think that this is a really good product to go for. I would keep your expectations pretty low with these still, because as we've seen time and time again recently, a lot of these Converse have been bricks. So those are the Nike US, the Nike sneakers stock numbers, 600 pairs, but I would still move with caution when it comes to any of these Shai. Anyway, next up, let's talk about the Liquid Max Fragment. This time it's coming in all black. The prior Liquid Max we saw was the green apple pair, and those are actually performing pretty well. They're performing over $300, still profit despite a relatively high retail price of about $220, but that is not a collaboration pair, and the stock numbers on those are double the stock that we have on these, which I'll share in a second. So first thing to keep in mind is this is a collaboration. Fragment collab obviously carries a lot of hype in itself. Not only that, but this time the colorway is all black. That usually tends to help a more universal, more wearable colorway. I myself definitely prefer this colorway over the green apple pair. It's just a lot easier to wear with all different kinds of outfits. And then of course, last but not least, the stock numbers on these. The stock numbers on these are about half of what we saw in the green apple pair. So the green apple pair was actually quite limited as well. So there was 1,200 pairs of those green apples dropped on Nike Sneakers US, and that's pretty low stock. Now these fragments, on the other hand, on top of them being a collaboration, the stock is literally half. There's only 600 pairs dropping on Nike US. Again, that's not the total stock, but you can think of the stock proportionally, and Nike does usually get majority. So these are very, very low stock. Retail is kind of high at $225, but being a collaboration, being all black, easy to wear, being fragment collaboration, and the fact that stock is literally half of a pair that we saw already performing above $300, this pair is definitely a go, guys. I think these are going to perform even better than a lot of people are expecting. Anyway, next up, some more interesting news. We're getting another Hellstar Adidas collaboration, this time in orange. And I'm not 100% sure how Confirmed App is going to be dropping them, but I'll remind you guys how Confirmed App dropped the prior pair and the sort of workaround that we know to kind of exploit this system, assuming Adidas hasn't fixed it or changed anything, which I doubt they have. But if you guys remember from the Desert Camo Hellstar release, those actually released through a code sharing method where you had to share the code from one person who had the code to the next person, and it was one use per code. Well, the thing is that Adidas pre-generated all the working codes in advance, so technically you could have just guessed any of these working 4 or 5 digit codes, and if you had guessed just one of them correctly, then you could pass that on to the next person, get another working code, pass that on to the next person, etc. So we actually built a little system that's going to automatically scrape for these codes. So once we have like 1 or 2 or 3 of them automatically guessed, then we're just going to be able to, share them amongst each other inside of the Discord. So Again, consider joining Endurance. Definitely no better time than now. Remember, it's not just for early info, but other unique competitive advantages like this to help you guys get sneakers, Pokemon, anything limited for retail. So you could either keep it for yourself or resell it and make some easy side money, guys. Consider joining us with the link in the description below. Anyway, this is the Hazy Orange pair. They're dropping April 10th for $200. I'm definitely not expecting profit to be nearly as high on these as the Desert Camo pair, because I think they're following the same strategy as what the Adidas Spider release was like. So on that first initial Adidas Spider, it was like a greenish colorway. Those were super, super hyped up. And then we saw two general release pairs drop, the black and the red. And those were still profitable. There was still some easy small profit to be made, but nothing in comparison to the first pair. And I think we're going to see something similar when it comes to this orange pair, where we might see some brick profit, you know, some lunch money. Nothing too significant though, nothing to be compared with the Desert Camo pair, but definitely a release to keep your eye on nonetheless. Just expect a lot higher stock. And next up, we got some absolutely insane news, and that's because we got word that Satoshi is going to be dropping. Yeah, the Satoshi Vans are going to be dropping again, this time the black colorway, and these retail for $130. And they resell for about $1,000. Anyway, there's one website in particular where it's going to definitely be very possible to cop these manually, and that's because of what we saw last year happen back in June 2025, not just on the Satoshi release, but in general. We tend to feast on this site pretty heavily, and I think you'll have a great chance of copying too, as long as you have access to the monitor. So again, consider joining the Discord, just one of the many reasons. But back in June 2025, when the gray pair released, tons of people were able to manually cook these. That means manually, without a bot, no bot needed, you were able to easily cop these. And those were $130, reselling for $900, so definitely easy money, and they're reselling for way more now, actually. Anyway, we already have the early link for these, so we're monitoring it. So hopefully they drop early while people are unprepared, and it'll be a pretty big cookout. But not only that, but we use the early link, or I should say the early stock keeping unit, to pull the stock data on these, and the stock is looking really low. So it looks like there's at least 178 pairs dropping, and I have to say at least, because the way the stock data is on this website is after 10 pairs they just list it as 10 plus, but some of the sizes actually had under 10 pairs. So I can't imagine the stock is much higher than 10 pairs on a lot of these other sizes, maybe slightly higher. So at most, I would expect there to be a couple hundred pairs dropping on this website, and at least 178 pairs dropping. So definitely not a big GR release, but enough stock to cop manually if you have access to the monitor. And the last bit of early info for today, just a reminder, TINNSD. We'll recircle to what that means in a couple of days.